Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. Here I am doing a little bit more shopping in summer for autumn. Dun dun dun. As you know, all the shops have to be super ahead of themselves. So although it's lovely and sunny and we're enjoying the garden and everything, it is worth having a little look around what the shops have got in. I went to Primark last week and picked up a few things, and I will probably pop back as well. There are a few candles that I did quite like the look of, so I might pop back and get those. So I had a little look around the range today. They've got some lovely things in. They've got some things from last year out again, and then they've got their new stock in. I do expect them perhaps to have a little bit more. I might have another look in another range because sometimes some ranges have a bit more than others, but they've definitely made a nice start. I didn't pick anything up today, but that doesn't mean that I won't pop back. So come round with me, have a look, see if anything catches your eye. is a touch of cute, spooky Halloween in as well. So a lot of the stuff was autumn, but there's definitely some ghosties around as well. And I do expect that they will have more Halloween in a little bit nearer the time. But they have got some cauldrons and some spooky spell books, which you can use for decor. I've got a few of those books, like art ones, and you can open them, you can put your remote controls in them. So it's nice that they've got some for Halloween. So definitely a few things in there already. The other thing that I really love about Range is they have a fantastic arts and crafts department, and they always do collections. So this is the fall collection, a lovely little house that could be painted up in the autumn style, and then the usual leaves and garlands and things that you can use for your crafting projects. I really like the look of those little mushrooms there, and then there's some cross stitches, and there's lots of different bits and pieces, little leaves and mushrooms and things that you can paint your own. And they're very reasonably priced, because Hobbycraft do some lovely autumn stuff as well, but the Range is definitely priced more keenly. So if you are looking for some autumn craft projects, then there is lots of supplies at the Range to have a look at. So I would recommend having a look. Also, I like to get a bit of inspiration for things that I can do, because I do like to make stuff myself, but there definitely is things that's worth buying. There's a lovely wreath kit there. Just buy all the pieces and make a fabulous autumn wreath. That looks really nice, actually. Have a look. Don't forget to have a look around their arts and crafts department as well as the home stuff. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye-bye.